Do you ever think of what programming is, or what you need to know to learn programming or teach yourself programming? Well, today I'm going to be talking to you about programming and what it is. So, what is it? Programming is a process of creating a set of instructions to tell a computer how to perform a task. Programming can be done using a variety of computer languages such as SQL, Java, Python, and C++. These are types of languages you can use to explain to a computer, and the best one, or the most that I think from my experience, the best one for kids is Python. That's the only thing I use, but they say it's the best one for kids, and it's the less complicated, and the C++ is the most complicated. So if you're a kid and you want to learn, you should start with Python because it's very good. What are these? Well, according to scientific researchers or programmers, these different languages are linked completely different meanings to a computer, or different ways to talk to it. So it's a different way to talk to a computer, different way to tell a computer to perform a task. You can some ways are simpler to do so, and for example, the Python you can tell to like copy and paste way easier than you need to do for the C++, but it's the same thing. But the C++ is going to be more complicated but faster, so that's when you get more professional. You can do that. Why do we need it? Programming is a language that writes efficient programs and develops games, websites, applications, etc. It is also part of making a real complicated piece of information to make a computer understand originally. So as we know, a computer, when we type on the keyboard, the computer writes what we type, but it doesn't actually write what we type. In a computer language, all these are just zeros and ones, and then they can understand. Every letter has a different amount of zeros and ones, so they can understand what's the amount of how many, and they know the number or letter, and they type it in for you and pass. Yeah, and so we can say that the easier the language you're using is, the easier it takes for a laptop to understand. Because for like the C++, it's one of the hardest ones. This is the hardest one. You need to know so much different things. Like I did way more complicated than the Python to know how to make it more complicated but faster. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's it. And that's what you need to know to be a programmer.